In this how-to, we will learn how to link our IBM Watson Visual Recognition account with the Quickwork Journey Builder. If you click on the IBM Watson Visual Recognition and choose the only action which is available, which is classify image, it will ask you to enter the API key of your respective IBM Watson Visual account. Now, first things first, you need to go to your IBM Cloud's main dashboard. Over there, you must choose Services, or you can directly click on Create a Resource. Post that, you have to search for the respective service in the service section. In here, I'm just going to type in Visual Recognition. Okay, so simply entering a few words which matches the syntax would showcase you that the visual recognition is available over here. And you can just simply click on Create. Ensure that you have chosen one of these regions. I've chosen Dallas, but you can choose anything you like. London or Tokyo, wherever this service is available. But just keep a note of which one have you chosen. And now you are successfully created that. Now to get the API key, you have to click on the service credential section. In there, you have to choose the auto-generated service credentials and sort of highlight and copy your API key. Now we need to come back to the automation journey builder and sort of paste the API key in here and click on link an account. And that's it, as simple as that. Now you can pass in the URL of your of the image that you wish to classify, and if you have a custom classifier ID in the IBM Visual Recognition, you can enter it over here, but that's an option for you. I hope you find this video demonstration useful. Thank you very much for your time.